Hey there, check out the KingCamp Hammock Camping Chair, a portable folding chair designed for ultimate swinging comfort and relaxation anywhere. This oversized chair supports up to 400 pounds with a durable aluminum alloy and steel frame, ensuring stability and safety. The breathable mesh seat, padded headrest, and adjustable reclining angle let you find your perfect comfort position. Setting up is quick and tool-free, and the lightweight design comes with a convenient carry bag for easy transport. Thoughtful features include a cup holder, padded armrests, and anti-slip feet for added convenience and stability. Whether you're at the beach, campsite, or backyard, this chair adapts perfectly to your outdoor needs. Experience soothing swings and ergonomic support with this heavy-duty, foldable rocker for adults. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.